Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Matthew Hawes, Superintendent for Albemarle County Public Schools. It's an honor to stand with you today as we break ground on the Albemarle Career Exploration Academy.
The Albemarle Career Exploration Academy on Lambs Lane campus is going to host different scholar studios for the division, and so what that's going to do is going to allow the division to expand the learning opportunities and career pathways for students. It's also going to help relieve capacity at our high schools, which is always a challenge. We started the project, about a month ago in January of 2025, and the school is set to open for the 2026-27 school year, with it opening its doors August 2026.
Today we are not just breaking ground on a building, we are breaking open new possibilities for our students. We are breaking down barriers to opportunity. And we are breaking through to a future where every young person has the tools to build a life of purpose and prosperity. And I thank you for sharing this moment with us. Together we're building something truly meaningful in Albemarle County, a stronger and more vibrant future for all.
Center 2 is going to be an academy that represents the best of hands-on, career-focused learning, solving real problems, working with industry professionals, and seeing firsthand how their education connects to the real world outside the classroom and prepares them for success.
The whole role of public education is to give everybody a chance to compete. It's the bedrock of our society. And the role of a building like this is to make sure that kids, we have an obligation to make sure that the children that leave our systems are ready to compete at the next level of education or in the workplace. And you got to meet kids where they are. You got to meet people where they are. And that's what you're doing. And that's what makes me proud to stand here today and thankful for your leadership and your work. And congratulations.
The Board of Supervisors originally approved this in 2019, but we pushed the pause button during COVID. But now, if all goes according to plan, and I'm sure with all of our project managers it will, this facility will open its doors to the students in the fall of 2027. You may be aware that High School Center 2 plus Mountain View Elementary, which broke ground earlier this month and about 40 degrees colder, are the first two new school facilities we in the county have built since Baker Butler Elementary in 2002.
Between this facility that's going up and the Boys and Girls Club, this campus now has a stake in the ground to say we're doing something for these children, and we're going to make sure that the master plan for this campus is completed. And I will say that this is a really good example of how the school system and the Board of Supervisors have worked together.
This project is the culmination of a decades-long experience and relationship we have with Albemarle County Public Schools. We've worked on a number of learning modernization projects across the school division, and I think we took everything we learned from all those projects and put it into this building.
For us, it's just not another project. This is a place where it gives students real opportunities to learn firsthand skilled trades that we need to continue to succeed in this environment, in this community.
This academy is not just a foundation, and I know we're laying a foundation, but it's a launch pad. It's really a launch pad for our students and their futures, and it's a bold step. It's kind of our stake in the ground at saying we're ready to do school different. We're ready to redesign high school by immersing students in pathways that are high demand and high skill and high wage, and giving them the tools, the knowledge, and the hands-on experiences that will set them up for success.
Good afternoon. My name is Michael Znishonik. I am a student at Albemarle High School, and I'm a part of the Scholars Program at Albemarle High School, which is the Solve Studio. Being a part of the Scholars Program has been an incredibly positive experience for myself because of the many opportunities I had to collaborate with my peers on projects that I felt were applicable to my future career. It has been an overwhelmingly positive experience, and the creation of this center and its construction is a very exciting time for me because I think that many students will have the same positive experience I have had.
I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's been able to make this possible, because I know that I personally have enjoyed being a part of this studio to its fullest capacity, and then also being able to be a part of just making it into what it's going to be as an ambassador, being able to go to those meetings and talk with people who care about the studios just as much as I do, and who really care about the futures that we'll be able to have and the futures that future students will be able to have as well.
Very excited for this new building. It looks like a huge building, so lots of students can be put in this building, lots of opportunities to learn.
I'm really excited for it, and I want to see what new technologies and other things that they're gonna have.
What I really am excited about is the expansion of our engineering spaces, our 3D printing spaces, things of that nature, so we can be better at that and be more industry aligned and have them have those real world skills, and that once they graduate and move out of that, they can employ those skills wherever they are.
I am very excited for ACE Academy. This is something that I feel like is going to be great. It's going to be a nice foundation for a lot of our students to be able to work on their hard skills, soft skills, be able to grow and develop into the person that they want to be after high school. They'll be able to just get a lot of exploration, hands-on experience, and meet with different community partners.
It was just very exciting today to be here at the groundbreaking for the ACE Academy, and just see what's in store for the students in the coming years when it comes to career education, and the ability to explore those pathways before they get to college, and help them to cement a little better what they want to do in the future, and just all the community support that's around that and those programs.
So the building will be 63,000 square feet. A really unique aspect of it is going to be some of the classroom spaces. So it's actually going to have a culinary kitchen in it for students, and so it's a commercial grade, so they can kind of learn how to cook in a commercial environment. It's going to provide a lot of unique spaces that we don't have in any of our other schools. It's also going to have a pretty nice presentation area that can host community events. I think another important aspect of the project is it's going to impact Albemarle High School as well. A really important part of the project is to try and improve traffic that Albemarle currently experiences and just Lambs Lane campus does. And so we've done a lot to integrate solutions to provide parents and students as they're coming to and from the campus, different ways to get off of the campus and exit Lambs Lane campus.